Already, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Nazreen, and students, Talba wa Talibat, Assalamu alaikum. Irfan Rashid. We welcome the delegations and participants of Shanghai Conference to be held in Pakistan in next month, and we love Chinese, Russian, all member countries, people from the core of our hearts, and wish that peace will be established throughout the world. Also for restoration of the humanitarian rights and freedom of Gaza Palestinian people as well as of Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir. May Almighty Allah soon release all the leaders of Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir and Gaza for Palestine. The war is not the solution of any dispute, any issue in the world. The countries must adopt the way of peace for human beings, that lives are very precious, and profoundly let the people of all the world enjoy their freedom and humanitarian rights. We also invite and raise our humanitarian voice to all the people of the world, Russia, China, member countries, USA, Europe, and all the people of any country, that they should accept Islam. Islam is the only right and correct religion which do not allow anybody to kill others, to injure others, and respect each other's humanitarian rights. This is the teaching of Islam. I would like to thank all member countries of Shanghai, BRICS, and OIC that they have, in search of peace, they have waged their voice for establishing peace throughout the world, for economic, political, social values. May friendship of China and Pakistan and Russia and Pakistan and Russia enjoy freedom and love for each other. May friendship of those countries and Pakistan flourish in centuries for the benefit of all peace-loving countries, for the benefit of all the people who are under dictatorships, who are under poverty, racial, religion, and these other disputes. They are restricted to enjoy their democratic rights, which should be given as soon as possible. Thank you very much.